So we've got Jack here again. We've been fixing his front side lights here, these markers. But a lot of people have been asking questions about that Union flag on the side of his truck, and Jack is going to explain.
Exhibit A.
The magnetic.
Exhibit A. Exhibit B.
So, what's the story, Jack? Bring him a bit further forward and show folks. That's it. Who made them?
My old man back in the UK, but I think where he put the vinyl and was applying it, maybe some of the vinyl came off and he manually put it down again. So apologies on the behalf of the Empire.
Yes,
but
right. To the tower.
Yeah, to the Majesty and His Majesty.
Yeah, so that's it. So now we've that's that. So that'll sort that out. But he had some lights gone at the front. LEDs. We're just replacing. It's a miserable day, isn't it? Raining.
Yeah.
Horrible. Anyway, we did that. And all it was a fuse blown, but replaced those lights anyway. So there we go. That will wrap that up. But that was only a very quickie just to explain the flag. You can all calm down now.